Hello, beautiful people. We welcome my beautiful kings and queens. So today I'm going to be teaching you one way that you're going to grow your hair. This ingredient is very good for your hair growth. You are going to love it. This is the what I'm going to be showing you today. What are we talking about? Watermelon skin. As from today, if you finish eating your watermelon, don't throw the skin away because it's so beneficiary for your hair. It has a lot of antioxidants, it has a lot of nutrients, it has vitamin B, it has a lot of vitamin C. It's very powerful. It helps for hair growth, and for hair loss it helps you. It will not, when your hair is always breaking, it's going to help you. When your hair is not strong, your hair is so weak, it's going to strengthen your hair. When you are always your hair is very difficult to grow, it's going to help your hair. This is very good, guys. I'm not joking with it. The skin is like this because when I finish eating my watermelon, I always store it in the fridge. Just tie it on your nylon or keep it somewhere safe in the fridge or in the freezer. Anytime you can use it when you want to use it. So this is watermelon skin. I just bring it out of the fridge because the one I have before, I've used it. So you just cut it this way gradually, this way. What are you be doing if you're not be using watermelon skin on your hair? What have you been doing? Why you're not incorporating it into your hair? This is very good, guys. This is very good. Your natural hair, you don't need to buy a lot of costly things to maintain it. There are just perfect things that is there that God has given to us that you can use to maintain it. I told you that we are going to be talking about the things of God here, encouragement, and I'm going to show you how to maintain your natural hair and your natural body too that God has given to you. Everything here in this channel is all about doing everything that will help your faith, that will be good for you, that you will use as a person, as a Christian, to the glory of God. Okay, anything you don't know, just put it down below. You want to know about it, I will do a video of it. I put it in the blender. I just add a little bit of water to it. Guys, this is very good. Expect a lot of things in this channel anytime, any day. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your time. I don't take it for granted, okay? It's not easy for you to stay and click the video and be watching. I can do it. If you're not watching, I'm not going to be doing it. But it's because you're watching. That's why I'm motivated to always bring something great to you that will help you out there. God bless you for your support always, and may God continue to make his face to shine upon you. You just sip it this way. That is it. Simple as ABC. Simple as ABC. This is going to help your hair growth. I'm telling you guys, don't take it as a joke. I'm not joking here. This is going to help your hair growth. Sorry for the noise. I'm with my baby, okay? This is going to help your hair growth. So this is honey. You just add honey to it this way. After adding honey to it, you just stir. You stir it around. You stir. After stirring it, sunflower oil. This is normal oil you used to cook in your kitchen. You just add it to it, and it's very good. You are going to love this. You are going to love this mixture. If you have not been using this liquid on your hair with this watermelon skin, I don't know what you have been using. A lot of products are there. God says he has given us everything to use it for our own. It's very good. Your hair is special. Your hair is special. You have to maintain your hair. Okay, the word of God says a woman hair has given to her is a glory and is a covering to her. So you have to maintain that glory that God has put in upon you. Maintain it. So if you have this kind of water bottle spray, you just add it to it. It's very good. So you can store it in the fridge for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Okay, if you don't know how to preserve it, you want to know how I preserve it, just put it down below. So this way, you just add it to your spray bottle this way, and spray it all over your hair. Okay, like me, I have protective style on. It doesn't matter, you can have protective style, you don't have protective style, just put it down below. Try to be wetting your hair, try to be doing this once in 3 weeks. Okay, it's very good if you have a protective style on. You can decide to wash it, you can decide not to wash it. Sorry for the noise. Okay, my baby is here. You can decide to wash it, you can decide not to wash it, guys. It's so good. You can decide to wash it after 3 days, you can decide to wash it after 2 hours. Your hair is going to be cool. You are going to love it. You will see your hair growing gradually. It will be growing. God bless you guys. Share. I will just keep the rest in the fridge. Okay, just share, like. Okay, support this channel to grow. God bless you, and God continue to bless you. Love you.